Yeah.
Alright, today, boys.
Hold on.
World's biggest dildo.
What's going on, guys? It is Tundra Airsoft. Alpha Sawdust here. We got Alpha. What's your name?
I don't know.
What was your call sign?
I don't know.
We got Alpha Kyler here. And we just got a box in from Evike. It's a team unboxing. In here we have 3 orders for 3 people. So let's just get into it. Right away we got the famous bound paper. So for our sniper, Zach Hurd, he got a metal trigger box for his sniper because the damn idiot doesn't know how to keep track of shit. Alright, for me, we got a Welsh patch, as my family's from Wales. Blue Force gear, 10 speed, pistol mag pouch, Mad Bull 60-degree buckings, a US flag patch, another battery, butterfly. Got some Evike shit for $10 off Airsoft Con. I also got 2 Wii G17 mags for my Glock 18 by WeTech. Also got a Matrix metal flash hider for my saw. The other part of the order is for our Alpha Fury Caden. He got a pistol belt. Don't you dare. He also bought 5 6mm Pro Shop M4 mags, mid caps, 140 rounds, a 511 barrel, a SEMA gearbox for his M4 that he constantly breaks, some golf ball GNP hand grips, King Arms pins for his Masada, and then he also got a carbine stock in tan. So that's it. Be expecting loadout videos. Be expecting loadout videos from us soon for Futureball, Futurewar 2017, taking place July 15th. So we'll have loadouts for everyone that's going. I'm Tundra Wolves, Alpha Sawdust, and peace out.